Hello everyone, welcome back to the Azure Storage Services tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Azure file storage. We will see what is the Azure file and what is the uses of this Azure file, and apart from that, we will see couple of the key benefit we get under this Azure file storage. So let's start with the introduction. So Azure file is a process that help us to make file share on the cloud. It is a fully managed solution and it support to access the cloud-based file using the SMB protocol or server message block protocol and using the network file system. And apart from that, we can mount Azure file share from cloud deployment and on-prem deployment. It is not only for the Windows machine, even we can get it on the Linux and Mac OS machine. Apart from that, the NFS Azure files means network file system Azure file shares are accessible from Linux or Mac OS clients, and SMB Azure file shares can be cached on Windows Server with Azure File Sync that are located close to your users. By leveraging Azure File Share with Azure File Sync, we can speed up the data access of our end user. If we talk about Azure File Sync, so it is like basically a centralized file service in Azure storage. Using this, cache frequently access file for fast local access, utilizing cloud based backup and fast disaster recovery. So that is the uses of Azure File Sync. Now if we talk about the uses of this Azure file, so first is like replace or supplement on-premise file servers. So Azure files can be used to completely replace or supplement traditional on-premises file servers or NS devices. Popular operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS and Linux can directly mount Azure file share wherever they are in the world. Azure file AD authentication means Azure file share permission can even be controlled through on-premise Active Directory. If we talk about the next usage of the Azure file is the lift and shift application to the cloud, means application that require file share to the store application data and user data. So Azure file make it easy to lift and shift application to the cloud that expect a file share to store file application or the user data. And next is simplify cloud development. So Azure file can be used in numerous ways to simplify new cloud deployment project. And first is like shared application setting. So a common pattern of distributed application is to have configured file in a centralized location where they can be accessed from many application instances. So application instances can load their configuration through the file REST API, and like the person can access them as needed by mounting the SMB share locally. And next is the diagnostic share, and the Azure file share is a convenient place for cloud application to write their logs, metrics and crash dumps. Logs can be written by the application instance by using the file REST API, and developer can access them by mounting the file share on their local machine. Even this enables great flexibility as developers can embrace cloud development without having an abandon any existing tooling. They know the basically uses of it. Next is dev, test and debug. So when developer or administrator are working on a VMs in the cloud, they often need to set of tools or utilities. Copying such utilities and tools to each VM can be time consuming and exercise. So by mounting an Azure file share locally on the VMs, a developer and an administrator can quickly access their tools and utilities no copying required. And next is the centralization. The meaning of that, Azure file share can be used as a persistent volume for stateful containers. So these containers deliver build once, run everywhere capability that enable developer to accelerate innovation. So that is the uses of the centralization. Now, if we talk about couple of the benefit of the Azure file storage, so first is shared access. So Azure file share support the industry standard SMB and NFS protocol, meaning we can seamlessly replace our on-premises file share with Azure file share without worrying about application capability. Next is fully managed. So Azure file share can be created without the need to manage hardware or an OS. This means we don't have to deal with the patching the server OS with critical security upgrade or replacing faulty hard disk. Next is scripting and tooling. So PowerShell, CMD, Let's and Azure CLI can be used to create, mount and Azure file share as part of the administrator of Azure application. Next is resiliency. So Azure file has been built from the ground up to always available. Replacing on-premises file share with Azure file means we no longer have to wake up to deal with local power outage or the network issue. And next is familiar programmability. So using the API and basically this Azure file storage is helpful for support in the many languages, and through the API we can do the operation, and even application running in Azure can access data and share via the system.io APIs. So this help developer to manage it as expected. If you want to know more about it, you can go on this link and can read more about this Azure file storage. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.